If I can do it, you can do it. 2015 GMC Yukon SLE. Sway bar linkage replacement. This is what you need. This is 2015. This is the part number, Advanced Auto. This is what I'm going to be replacing. This doohickey right there. Yeah, that thing right there. Right there. All right. Tools I'm using: 5/8 wrench, 5/8 socket. Yep, 5/8. It's on there somewhere. 5/8 socket connected to a Ryobi. I'm not being sponsored, but I gotta crawl underneath of here. If I can do it, you can do it. Oh boy. All right now, feet in court. This is what we got. Gotta replace that thing. Where that? Right there. Yeah, that. I replaced the other side already, but it said better to do it in pairs. It looks pretty good, but my man said we do it in pairs. I'm gonna connect that here. Right there. Boom. Just gotta use your imagination, people. Then at the top, wrench right there. Oh, this is a different size. Somebody pulling tricks out here. Be back. And I'm back. I don't know why, but for some reason, that top screw takes a 15mm, not a 5/8, but the bottom takes a 5/8. I don't know, but anyway, I'm back. Look, took those two pieces out. That screw, yeah, that's what I took out. Now I'm gonna put a jack right here to jack this part up to release tension. In between there. Okay, be back. All right, got the jack in between there to jack that up. See right there? So I can take that out. Just enough, just to take that piece out. Oop. You with me? All right. Now, all I have to do is put it in a piece. And here's my new piece. What we gotta do? All right. Don't mind the grunting. When you get old, it's what happens. I'll be back. All right, I'm back. Look, this is what I gotta put in there. You have to separate this parts. All right, you know you're with me. Separate that part. Take this part, 10.9s or whatever, and we got to go up inside that hole right there. And then this goes in between. Be right back. And I'm back. Now, I got that part in. Gotta use your imagination, people. All right, use your imagination. That part is in. All I gotta do now is tighten it down. Be back. Last part. If I can do it, you can do it. All I did was tighten it down. Boom. And she in there, folks. Use your imagination. All right, I'm done. See ya. And remember, if I can do it, you can do it.